How's it going, guys? I want to say welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. It's been a long time. But I just wanted to reevaluate myself. I wanted to see exactly where my heart was in the industry, because the things I were promoting, I didn't see, to be totally honest, I didn't see longevity. I personally want to build a team of over 500 people. That's how you really retire. That's how you really stop spending hours on the internet. Email processing, it made me good money, but like I said, I had to spend hours on the internet. I had to sell so many things on my own. So literally, when I bring people in, my team did nothing for me, and that's not how you pay these residual bills. You want money to work for you, not you working for money. But anyways, guys, personally, what I'm doing right now, I still have my royalty gems. That's one of my ways of promoting. I still have those. Yes, there's an affiliate side to that, but my main business is CTFO. I'm gonna explain everything in this video. I might connect the presentation video to this exact video. I'm not sure. If it becomes too long, then I'll leave everything in the description below. But what they offer is CBD based products. If you know nothing about CBD oil, I'm gonna have all the information in the description. But just know it helps with anxiety, it helps with depression, it helps suppress appetite, it helps with high blood pressure, getting that back to the right level. It helps with things like lupus. It helps with weight loss, a lot of things, and it's natural. If you know anything about cannabinoids and cannabis, you kind of know what I'm talking about. The good thing about this is this strand of hemp, if it originates from, cannabis, it has 0.08% THC, which legally is considered no THC at all, meaning this will not get you high. It has very little to nothing, no THC. Like I said, by law, it can be declared no THC. So actually, when you see these products, you're going to actually see no THC. But it has a lot of natural healing abilities for people with muscle spasms, people who want to recover after working out. Just a ton. Do your research on CBD oil. It's been around for a long time. But, anything natural isn't going to be talked about a lot. We live in a world of medicines, and that's just how it is. I'm not going to really touch in on that. But anyways, guys, yes, there's a compensation plan to this. This is for anyone that wants to build a team. CTFO is for anyone that wants to build a team and wants money to work for you. Because who wants to go out and recruit tons of people every single week when you can have a team of over 100 help you do that? I'm already, let me see. I didn't want to make this video too long, but I'll show you a little bit of my back office. I'm fairly new. Everything's raw. You know how I do it. Sometimes I bring you professional videos, but sometimes I like to do it raw. I'm gonna log in. But yes, the company is called CTFO. It stands for Changing the Future Outcome. CBD based products. They have oils, they have face products, they have shampoos, even treats and sprays for your dog. Like, that's powerful. Give me 1 second. You also see I did delete all my email processing videos. I just wanted to start over. I just want to give you guys some more value, or some actual value. So this time when you're joining me, you're getting an actual product that's going to actually help you. It's not a weight loss this, a weight loss this. It's an actual natural product that's going to help you even heal. I can't say it's going to cure this and cure this, but it's going to help you in your daily daily life, with your optimal health, and even more. We have different dosages, but let me show you my genealogy. I just got started a few days, yesterday actually. But yes, I'm already the first level. I've already hit the I guess you would call it the second level. You know, the first level is just an active distributor. Can't even talk right now. And that's pretty much someone who purchases the product of over $50. Then the first level is someone who, you know, gets someone else to do the same thing, etc. I should be at the second level by the end of today. But anyways, then I also want to touch on, yes, the company is actually free to get started. You don't have to buy a product, but the only catch to that is you'll only make 20% off your customers' sales. You won't. There's a whole other compensation plan. There's matrices, different levels, you know, so you can get paid now and really retire, like I said. But like I said, if you don't, you know, say you didn't have no money, and because you know some people want something free, some people just want to make a little extra money. You can sign up as a I think a customer, I think associate as well. Like I said, you can sign up as an associate as well, but you'll only make the 20%. So I don't knock that. You can do that as well, you know. But like I said, for those who do want to really make money, you're really here because you're really looking for something. The requirements are to purchase a product $50 of at least $50, I should say. And that's simply, you know, like one oil, something like that. Everything is quality, everything is top grade. And something like this, like I explain to people, this is not like a Walmart you know, Walmart brand type thing. Like, this is something very serious, and this helps a lot of people with a lot of serious things. So obviously it's going to cost some money, and that's obviously a reason we don't know about a lot of things, is because we share away from the prices of a lot of these top quality things, but they actually do medicinal things. So yeah, I just wanted to touch in on that. You can get started for free, but like I said, those really looking to get into business and really be in business for themselves, the requirements are to buy a product of $50, of at least $50. You get a free website, already done website, everything's done for you. But like I said, it depends what you want to do. If you just want to make 20%, you know, and you just want to make a little money here and there, do what you got to do. But like I said, I want to build a team of over 500 this summer. I want to change a lot of people's lives and a lot of people's health. I know this is a long video, but you know how I do it. Always keep it real. I'm going to drop more videos today. Yeah, but pretty much, like I always say, do your research. I'm going to, I don't know if I want to leave the presentation video. I'm just going to probably just leave you the link to my website. You get started, then we'll go from there, and we'll just leave it like that. The website's going to have some information on what CBD is, going to show you the products, etc., etc. But yeah, guys, it's pretty much that simple. This is for someone, like I said, who really wants to change their life, obviously, but someone who also may have health issues, may have sleep issues, may can't sleep through the night, have anxiety, even depression, or want to suppress their appetite, etc., etc. This is for you. This is going to be something big. All summer, you're going to see me. I'm telling you, you're going to see me everywhere. You might see me when you type in CTFO. You might see me on the top. I'm going to cover the whole page. You know how I grind. But anyways, guys, sorry this video is kind of long, but more information is going to be found below. Can't talk today for some reason. My email is going to be below. Hope to see you on the other side.